What's up, guys? Latest edition of the Sam Jones Show. Today we're out here at my first property, which is located right up the street from Williams Brice Stadium. I've been doing some renovations to it, and I kind of want to walk you guys through it and let you see what I got going on. All right, let's go in and check out the progress. Came in, pulled all the carpet up, put fresh flooring down throughout the entire house. Also came in, added a recessed lighting, as well as the largest ceiling fan. All right, now let's come and take a look at the kitchen. Okay, so I came in here, changed out the countertops, as well as added in the backsplash, added new hardware to the cabinets. Also have this nice touch motion light for the backsplash. It's pretty neat. Outside of that, I'll be adding all stainless steel appliances as well, dishwasher, stove, microwave, including the fridge too. Take a look at the rest of it. Guest bath right here, just came in, repainted the vanity, as well as changed out the light fixtures. Still got to change the toilet, water fixtures in that one. Some new light fixtures in this room. Just pretty much fresh fixtures throughout. Alright, and then we have the master bath. So in here, I changed out this light fixture. I'll be taking this mirror down, replacing it with a nice mirror, a nice trim. Painting the cabinets, putting this crystal hardware on it. It's a nice look, kind of match what we got up here with the fixture. I'll be taking this toilet out, as well as changing out the shower head. So yeah, I think it'll look pretty good in here once it's done. Alright, so I just gave you an inside look at what I have going on over here right now. I say we're probably still about 3 weeks or so away from it being complete and going on the market. I'll definitely be updating you guys with more photos, as well as another video once it's complete. So just stay tuned. If I can help with any questions or anything pertaining to real estate, give me a call, 803-447-0219.